Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add or create a shortcut icon on Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it loads up, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon there, which is your gateway to the browser's settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up the settings menu where you can customize various aspects of your Brave browser. Once you're inside the settings, take a look at the left panel of the screen. You'll see several options listed vertically. From there, click on Top Sites. This section allows you to manage and customize the shortcuts that appear on your browser's new tab page, giving you quick access to your most visited or favorite websites. Now, within the Top Sites section, you'll see an option labeled Favorites. Click on it. This setting determines which sites will appear as shortcuts on your new tab page, making it easier for you to organize and access the websites you use most frequently. After selecting favorites, you can close the settings tab. You've already configured the necessary options, so there's no need to keep the settings open anymore. This brings you back to your main browser window where you can start adding your custom shortcuts. Next, look at the top menu of your browser and click on the three dotted lines icon. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Add Site. This is the feature that allows you to manually add a new shortcut icon to your favorites bar or new tab page, giving you complete control over which websites you want quick access to. A new dialog box will appear on your screen. In this box, you'll see a designated field where you need to type the name of the site you want to add. This is the label that will appear beneath the shortcut icon, so choose something that clearly identifies the website for you. Take a moment to enter the name in the field. Right below that, you'll find another designated field where you need to enter the URL of the website you want to add. This is the web address that the shortcut will link to, so make sure you type it in accurately. The URL should include the full address of the site you're adding as a shortcut. Once you've entered both the name and the URL, click on Save Changes. This finalizes the process and adds your new shortcut icon to Brave browser. You should now see the shortcut appear on your new tab page or favorites bar, ready for quick access whenever you need it. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom shortcut icon to your Brave browser, making it easier to navigate to your favorite websites with just one click. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.